Hi, I'm Rhonda. You might know me as the Distressed Princess, and I do love my DIYs and crafts, but I'm also just a 40-something-year-old Gen X girl in the Midwest trying her hardest to live a good life with all the craziness that's going on. I'm just wishing we can go back in time and just go back to simple. Can we please just go back to simple? And can we go back to a place in time where the grocery bill didn't take half a paycheck? So I thought that there might be a lot more people out there who feel just like me, and I decided to start this Pinching Pennies series. I really want to share some things that I've learned and some ideas that I have to cut corners and have a home that feels like the perfect fit for you. And having a nice house has squat to do with what size it is or the price of the contents inside. So each week I'm going to take you along with me as I show you how I cut those corners. I'll be thrifting at thrift stores, repurposing things that I already have, making my own home decor, and learning to make life simpler. And maybe most exciting is every Friday I'm going to share with you my Dollar General 5 off 25 Saturday couponing plan. And look at these prices. Wouldn't you rather be paying this? So I hope you'll join me for this new series, same time and place, Friday at 4 p.m. Central, right here on YouTube.